Yo, you guys, it's Badger here, today with the Poco F2 Pro, and yeah, let's dive right into it. It's an Android-based phone, so we're not gonna boot it up because it's pretty much what you expect from Android. Here is the phone. It comes packaged nicely in here. Let's remove that quick. What's underneath here? Okay, we got some goodies like what is that? Like cases and screen protection. And here's the phone. There's some fingerprints already on there, or I turned it on already before the video, so I actually had an idea what's happening. At the bottom, as you can see, we got a speaker, a slot for your SD card, and your SIM card. And then also, what is kind of interesting to see is we got a headphone jack, which is not really common these days anymore. Power and volume obviously makes sense. In the back, we got 4 lenses in the camera, which is nice to see, and definitely something that I think is pretty interesting is the color of the phone, like the shine and the blue-ish ice cold pattern is looking really nicely here and really satisfying. And otherwise, it looks like your average phone-ish. Um, Definitely good phone though. Liking the presentation we're getting, liking the size and all of that. So if that's something you're looking for and you like Android, you definitely can't do anything wrong here. There's also like what cases can look like. There's a bunch out there. We bought this one just so I get an idea. And that's going to be it for today. So take care, you guys. My name is Badger. I'm out, and I will see you around in the next video.